Rohit Sharma spoke candidly about stepping back from the final test against Australia to support an informed player. He emphasized his confidence in Team India's chances to retain the Border Gavaskar Trophy, stating he is not retiring and looks forward to scoring runs again. In a shocking incident during the Big Bash League, players Cameron Bancroft and Daniel Sams collided while fielding, resulting in Bancroft's broken shoulder and nose. Both players are hospitalized with concussions, sidelining Sams for at least 12 days. The Thunder won the match by 4 wickets. With Jasprit Bumrah sidelined due to injury, Virat Kohli stepped in as captain on day 2 at the Sydney Cricket Ground. This marks Kohli's first leadership role since his resignation earlier this year, as India faces challenges without their star bowler. Jasprit Bumrah is facing an injury during the 5th Test against Australia, having left the field multiple times. Reports indicate he has undergone scans as he aims to surpass Harbhajan Singh's record of 32 wickets in the series. His health is crucial for India's trophy defence. Rohit Sharma commented on the verbal clash between Jasprit Bumrah and Sam Constance during the first day of the 5th Test in Sydney. He cautioned against provoking Indian players, emphasizing focus on the game as crucial for success in Test cricket. Rohit Sharma clarified his position regarding retirement, stating he stepped down for the 5th Test against Australia to prioritize team performance. He emphasized he is not retiring and will continue his international career, urging focus on individual performances rather than media speculation. Rishabh Pant had to tone down his aggressive play on day 1 of the 5th Test in Sydney, battling through pain to score 40 runs for India. He acknowledged the tough pitch and the badges of honour from his bruises, aiming for better innings ahead. On day 2 of the final test in Sydney, Indian bowlers Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj were exceptional. Bumrah dismissed Marnus Labuschagne, and Siraj took out Sam Constance and Travis Head, leaving Australia reeling after India scored just 185 runs in their innings. Virat Kohli faced criticism after being dismissed for 17 runs in the Border Gavaskar Trophy, marking his 7th dismissal fishing outside off stump. Experts like Sanjay Manjrekar highlight Kohli's struggle with wide deliveries, calling it a significant weakness in his game. In a surprising move, India's team management opted for 2 spinners in Sydney's green top instead of an extra pacer. Former player Sanjay Manjrekar criticized the decision, emphasizing the need for bowlers to secure victories, especially in crucial matches.